to go ahead and make sure everything else is
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shane Black, back with another video, but this time we're doing something different. Today I have a meal from HelloFresh. It is a warm buttered shrimp rolls dinner. I will be preparing for you guys today with the help of Mixed Hands.
Okay, so the skillet is warm now. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our beautifully seasoned shrimp that was tossed in olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, celery salt, and a little bit of pepper. Take them over to our pretty little skillet. Follow me, follow me. Okay, like I said, the skillet is hot. It's hot. So let's just go ahead and place the shrimp in there. Well, yeah. And because they are so small, it only takes 3 to 4 minutes to cook these. You know that they're cooked thoroughly when they are pink. And too, you know what I just read too, when shrimp are finished cooking, they actually curl up into a C. They take the shape of a C. When they're overcooked, they take the shape of an O, which means that they're closed all the way, right? That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and place the rest of these in here. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes. What time is it?
Did you put the hot sauce in there too or no?
No, that goes as a garnish. Alright.
Not just for a Thursday night. You can eat the same night.
Yeah. I feel like Thursday though is like the beginning of the weekend, and like shrimp is like a special food.
So to those watching, comment down below and let us know what your favorite meal is on a Thursday night or any particular night that is your go-to meal. Your go-to meal. It doesn't have to be shrimp, and it doesn't have to be, you know, what was created today. Let us know in the comments what your favorite meal is and why. While she does that, we're gonna go ahead and
Go ahead and add some butter to the pan to finish it off. That's enough. And then we're gonna take those white scallions that we cut earlier and just go ahead and add them in like so. Give that a quick stir.
safety first, guys. So the next step will be to serve.
So as soon as my shrimp is done, we're gonna fill the buns with the shrimp. Let's use this one since the bread's not broken. Okay, with the shrimp, we're gonna top it with some slaw. And then we have Cholula hot sauce. You like hot sauce? You want hot sauce?
Yes.
We can go ahead and drizzle it on top of there. Get our potato wedges, slice the lemon. We already have them in wedges. Put them on the side. Some people like lemon on their shrimp or fish, period. So that's what we're gonna do. And that is it.
You can start prepping your bread. Take it out of the oven. While those shrimp are cooking.
So nice and buttery. We're gonna just go ahead and place those here. Our potato wedges. Let's see. Ooh, they are. They're nice and crispy. Plating. So we have our breads. We're just gonna go ahead and be very generous with the shrimp because it's 2 servings of shrimp. Totally good. Let's put them on this side. So here we go. They smell really good though.
Yeah, I can smell the lemon.
You can smell the lemon?
The lemon popping right off.
Good job.
Yeah, so a lot of people, you know, love shrimp and seafood. And some people don't. I'm a big fan of seafood as a child, so it just stuck with me ever since.
That lemon half that you had, you can squeeze a little lemon on there. That looks nice. Keep that for a little bit of plating, a little presentation. Okay, and then here we're gonna come back over here to our pretty wedges and just grab some. Go ahead and place those on the plate as well. Go ahead and move this on out like that. Oh, very nice. A few more. Go ahead and take our Cholula hot sauce, drizzle it on top to finish it off. Doesn't it look pretty? So go ahead. Oh, yeah. All right, that looks awesome. Okay, and there you have it. This is the warm buttered shrimp roll with the lemon cream slaw and the seasoned potato wedges.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.